We got a Dcvoltfield light, simple to take off. Oh man, I'm struggling, not at all. It twists off, very simple indeed, like so. And it's got a leash in case something happens. To place back on is simply putting on and twisting up. I'm going to show you everything about this light, how to get started. Just remember, if you're having a little difficulty, you want to pair your unit on the switch. You got to quickly do this within 5 seconds, 5 times to be in pair mode. This is all mentioned not in the manual, but on the smartphone application. Enjoy your product, and let's get the show going. Dcvoltfield, it's a light flush mount, so you can mount it on the ceiling, low profile. Run off the app, which is TYUO. Check online for further details about the product. This is electric. It's on standby and can be turned on by a manual wall switch, remote control, smartphone app driven. We're going to show you how to hook up and what it's about. 2 AAA batteries are optional. 24 watt 12-inch light, nicely protected by a piece of foam around the edging. Comes in white. You get all the hardware, screws, wire nuts, and the bracket simply rotates off. Even has a leash so you could hang it hands-free to hook up. Load and neutral are color-coded for your appliances. And you have an instruction guide. And in the instruction guide will be your application to download, register, sign up, and install. So over here on the table, you get everything like you see, the light, remote control with all the buttons and features, and the bracket. So let's go install our bracket with our drill. You have your AC area. You got your screws that you're going to take off and remove. Installation process will take about a minute's time. Slide through, place on, and start to lock down. Center and lock into place. Now once everything is all hooked up, we have a leash that we're simply going to now put the light fixture on by grabbing the hook and looping it to the area and hanging. Now we need to take the color codes and place on and lock down. Then we take our leads and we place on like so into the center hole. And then we just align and rotate to lock into place. The Tuya app, remote control, download the application, and Google Assist. We're going to go into our app and run our unit. As we open up the application and wants to connect the device, and we first need to turn on our power. As we do so, the light should come on, and you can see a 2000 Kelvin and some blinking happening above. If unsuccessful, allow the unit to rest for over 10 seconds and unplug. We're in pairing mode, as you can see, and we're allowing our unit now to set up. We come to our phone. We enter the information provided. The unit is now talking to one another. We hit the smart sailing light. We have night, daily, streamer, party, leisure, and rhythm. In order to access some of the features, you need to access your microphone. You have the main light, and you have the auxiliary light. You have a segment dimming on and a do not disturb on. You have here is an edit button. You have an hourglass that you could hook up for a schedule. And you have a timer. Look on the bottom of the application for Scene if you have Siri. We don't have Alexa or Siri, so we have our light on. And what we're going to do now is dim our light down. With the smartphone, we're going to show you again your night light at 2000 Kelvin, where you can go up as high as 6000 Kelvin on the main light slider bar. You could turn it off and turn it on. You have the auxiliary light that we are going to show you now. You could put it in the party mode, turn the main light off so you can see the party mode flash. The leisure mode, it automatically turns your main light on, and you could dim it down so you could see the leisure mode. And the streamer that goes around and around and around. So there is a lot that this application can do for you via the smartphone. If you want to use the remote control, you can simply just press the buttons, turn on and off the top light, turn on and off the bottom light, and have the top light go on and off, and change all the different types of controls via the remote control. It is a flashlight with the CCT of 3000 through 6500 Kelvin as I'm switching the Kelvins and changing things around with the 5D joystick. I hope this is the light that you are looking for in a 24-watt light. It is a flush mount light. It's frosted, easy to clean, easy to maintain anywhere you want to put in a room. It is on standby on a wall switch for wireless remote control, Alexa, Google smartphone. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.